What do you do when you have a serious investment challenge and you can't think of a plausible solution? I think what you have to do is you go back to basic values and principles. I'm Rod Gatenby, I'm with Sun Life Financial. We like to invest in high quality real estate, sustainable, creates value over the long term in major urban centers. I was talking about a building in Calgary. It was built in 1980 and occupied by a quasi-public agency for 30 years, and they vacated the building, all 250,000 square feet, in 2010, leaving us with a huge hole to fill. Market was not trending in our favor at the time. Vacancy rates had gone from about 3% to 15%, and it didn't look like it was getting any better. We looked at alternatives, and one was to try to release the building at rock bottom prices to try to generate some income from the asset, but that wouldn't really be in keeping with our values of creating long-term value in a high-quality asset. We converted the building's HVAC system, which was a constant volume fan system, to a perimeter hot water radiant system. Increased tenant comfort, it was much more efficient, and allowed us to multi-zone the building much more efficiently. We installed a high-efficiency lighting design with sensors on the lighting. We put in low-flow fixtures and plumbing fixtures throughout the building and reduced water consumption by over 30%. One of the unusual things about the building in its original construction, it had triple pane glazing, and we resealed that to restore the original efficiency of the building. We installed bike lockers, showers, fitness facilities, and our managers, Bentall Kennedy, came along with a very extensive green cleaning program and recycling programs as well to help with our management of the building. Finally, we purchased renewable energy, and the extent of the improvements were so significant that the building ended up qualifying for LEED new construction and was awarded the silver designation. And one of the most unusual aspects of our releasing strategy was that we insisted that every tenant in the building also obtain LEED commercial interior designation for their interior fit out. Now, I've never really heard of this happening with an existing building before, but we viewed our investment in this asset as a stepping stone and not an endpoint on the route to environmental sustainability. In the end, I think our tenants were very happy with it, and every single tenant in that building, from the Tim Hortons on the main floor to a large multinational engineering firm, not only obtained their certification, but they were quite proud to work with us. And the entire building was not only core and shell certified, but LEED CI certified. I'm not sure I would really want to be in this situation again, but it was forced upon us, and in the end it turned out to be a really valuable learning experience. I mean, some of the takeaways that I have from this are, first of all, that your values have to align with your strategy. If we didn't have support for the sustainability strategy all the way to the top, this project would have never seen the light of day. Secondly, you have to have the courage of your convictions. This was a project that would never succeed if it was done in half measures. Third, you have to build the right team. We had a terrific team of designers, engineers, contractors, managers, and especially clients in the end that really helped to see the project through. And fourthly, a little bit of luck never hurts.